Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial walkthrough for the Ceyomur CY95 solar powered Wi-Fi Bluetooth trail camera. So a lot of people seem to struggle with connecting to these cameras with their smartphone, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. So the first thing you're going to need to do is run over to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and download the Game Camera Pro 2 app. I'll throw a picture up here to show you what it looks like. It's got a little Bambi logo there. So once you get that downloaded and installed, go ahead and hit that. And let's go ahead and open that app up. All right. Once that app is loaded, it's going to go to the first step, which is the Bluetooth screen. Let me explain to you here that the Bluetooth on this camera serves one function and one function only, and that is to actually enable the Wi-Fi network. Okay. So you cannot see your pictures or view you cannot view pictures or videos using Bluetooth. It's only to turn the Wi-Fi network on the camera. Okay, so first hit the turn Bluetooth on, which is essentially basically going to search for the Bluetooth of the camera, and that takes a little while. And once it does, you'll see the Bluetooth show up there, and just go ahead and hit the network, the Bluetooth network there. And then this takes about 20 seconds for it to actually connect to the Bluetooth network. You're not going to see anything going on with the camera, but during this time it's making a Bluetooth connection to the camera. Okay, all right. And so once that's done, it's about 20-second countdown. You'll come to the screen here, all right, and then you'll see the Wi-Fi symbol show up, and then just click on turn on Wi-Fi. So now the Bluetooth is connected to the camera, and now we're enabling the Wi-Fi network. It's turning on. Okay, and that also takes about 20 seconds. And when it's done, it'll go to this screen right here where you'll hit the Wi-Fi setting. Okay. Now, if you're near your own Wi-Fi network, such I am connected to my Starlink here, then you're going to have to actually manually connect to your Wi-Fi network of your camera to disconnect from your home network. Now, if there's no other networks around, that's not a problem, and it will automatically connect. But if you're close to another network, you may have to manually click it. Just hit the back button after that. You'll see a little green check mark appear, a little notice, and there we go. There I am on screen doing this video right here. You can turn it sideways and you can see it that way. Okay, okay. All right, so there you go. If you want to record video, you can hit the little red button there. If you want to take pictures, you click right there. Go to pictures, snap a picture there. Okay, all right, and you can do that. Now, most of you are going to want to see your pictures, so the little Bambi symbol down here is where you're going to go, and it's going to show you the pictures on the camera. I don't have a whole lot on here. I just set this camera up for this demonstration. Okay, so there you go. If you want to see videos, there's a little toggle switch at the bottom. You hit that, and it shows you the videos. Okay, so if you want to download a video, if you want to watch a video, just click on it, and then it'll load up, and then you can watch your video. Okay. I've got sun reflecting off the screen, so I'm having a hard time seeing this, okay? But anyways, hit the back button here. If you want to download stuff, just go ahead and long press on it. You'll get a little green check mark, and then hit the download up at top, and then it'll download to your phone. And when the videos that are downloaded to your phone will have a little blue disc symbol over in the left-hand corner. That's the same thing with the pictures. If you want to look at them, just click on them, they'll load up. And then you can scroll through them as you want to. And if you want to download them, just long press on it and hit the download. Okay, and it downloads to your phone. There's the little blue check mark, disc symbol to indicate that it's been downloaded to your phone. If you want to see what's on your phone already downloaded, just go over here to your local at the top. That shows you what's on your phone. Okay. All right, now we're back here. Let me go one more thing. If you want to delete things, just long press on as many as you want, like that, and hit the delete and confirm, and you can delete things off your phone like that. The other thing the app does is it allows you to access the menu system of the camera, in which you can go through all the menu settings and set them up, and that's a lot easier to do in the app than it actually is on the camera. While the Wi-Fi network is available, you'll see a little red light right there. That means the Wi-Fi network is enabled, and I've got it set to auto shut down after a minute. But if you hit back on the app a couple of times, it'll say will disconnect, and then that will automatically disconnect from the network and you'll see the blinking, which means that the Wi-Fi network is available but not connected to, and then it'll turn off. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.
Hey, the Gadget Man here, and I want to talk to you a little bit about the new feature that YouTube has announced called Super Thanks. And this is the viewer ability to basically give the creators a tip. You know, we don't make a whole lot of money from our videos, especially me. I do a lot of work on my videos to try to make them good for you. And, you know, I do them because I want to help people out. But, you know, it's good to be appreciated. So if you've got a couple extra bucks, I'd appreciate it if you throw them my way. If you don't, please enjoy the video. They're out there. I put them out there for free so that you can. But, you know, I would appreciate it if you could. Thanks a whole lot, and have a great day.